Tamur was returning from Punjab after plundering Delhi 1398. He was passing through, he was returning from Delhi, he was passing through Punjab. A small child has fallen into a well, and a lady was screaming to save her child and to take him out from the well. Tamur goes to the well, he throws his spear inside the well and brings back the child. The mother was shocked. You killed my son. He said, no. You were asking to take him out, I have taken him out. And for the first time in my life, I have felt pity on someone. कि जिंदगी में पहली बार मुझे किसी के ऊपर दया आई है, जिसको दया ऐसी आती थी. No resistance to Tamur in India, no resistance. इतनी तबाही मचाई उसने. 1398. He hands over the charge to Sayyids. Khizr Khan. He hands over the charge to Sayyids Khizr Khan, and that led to the establishment of Sayyid dynasty in Delhi. But this dynasty was not able to produce any capable ruler, and it collapsed in a very short span of time. And this was followed by Lodi dynasty. अब यार ये लोधी ओधी तुम ही करोगे ये. This was followed by Lodi dynasty. Lodi. 3 rulers are of importance, and Bahlol Lodi. He is the man who established Lodi dynasty. He invites the Afghans to help him to establish his kingdom in India. He was very liberal to his Afghan brothers. Very liberal, but natural. Central authority has collapsed. So when central authority has collapsed, you have to be liberal to your own people. Bahlol. Bahlol Lodi was followed by Sikandar Lodi. And Sikandar Lodi is a man of substance. He is famous for his spy system. He is famous for his prices of commodities. And it is said that he was a very beautiful man. Prices. The prices of commodities remained very low during his period and stable, like the time of Alauddin Khilji. He was very much famous for his spy system. It was said that natural powers were working for him. His nobles were so much afraid of him that they never talked anything extra even in front of their wives. Sikandar Lodi. This was again the period when the people of Delhi saw peace and stability, etc., etc. Sikandar Lodi was followed by Ibrahim Lodi. Young man. Ibrahim Lodi. Young man. Energetic, ambitious, but impatient and a man of low temperament. Energetic, ambitious, but impatient and a man of low temperament. It's very challenging to establish empire, but it's very tough to maintain it. And sometimes in the lack of experience, lack of experience, as it happened with a very established institute in India. Lack of, sometimes कहते ना विरासत में कुर्सी मिलती है बुद्धि नहीं मिलती. इट्स अ सेइंग दैट विरासत में कुर्सी मिलती है मुन्ना भैया, बुद्धि नहीं मिलती. तो sometimes when people inherit the throne or inherit the chair, they don't understand the delicacy of that. They don't understand the delicacy. And when they don't understand the delicacy, they pay the price for it. His uncle, Daulat Khan Lodi, was the governor of Punjab and was possibly the victim of Ibrahim's anger. Daulat Khan Lodi, governor of Punjab, and possibly Daulat Khan Lodi was fed up of this man Ibrahim Lodi, and possibly Daulat Khan Lodi and Rana Sanga gave invitation to Babur. Possibly. Actually, Babur mentions in his autobiography that Rana was not up to his words in the first battle of Panipat. उसने ये तो नहीं कहा कि राणा सांगा has called me. That he has not written. But he has written in his autobiography that Rana Sanga was not up to his words. Rana Sanga was not up to his words in the first battle of Panipat. And as Indians have a habit of inviting outsiders to solve their internal dispute, today also you see Pakistanis, Indians have a habit of inviting outsiders to solve their internal dispute. And I said today also Pakistanis are inviting Chinese to solve their internal dispute. And Babur is a grand man in the history of Asia. And when Daulat Khan Lodi invites Babur to remove this young idiot from the throne, that led to a very big development in history of India. That is establishment of Mughal Empire. Now, what is the origin of Mughals? Tatars, Central Asian tribes. Tatars are considered as a barbaric Central Asian tribe, possibly from the Mongol wind. And according to Chinese history, these Tatars on the basis of civilization are divided into three parts. White Tatars, black Tatars, and barbaric Tatars. White Tatars, black Tatars, and barbaric Tatars. These black Tatars were again divided into two parts. Black Tatars are again divided into two parts. Mongol and Turks. based on civilization. In this Mongols, when they came under the influence of Persian culture, and they adopted Islam. Mongols, when they came under the influence of Persian culture and they adopted Islam, then these Mongols became Mughal. Mughal. And finally, Mughals. This is the origin of Mughals. These things are very minute, but it is very important, especially for history optional people. They are very minute, but very important. Mughal Empire, reason for coming to India we'll discuss verbally. बाबर, थोड़ा सा कहानी सुना देता हूं यार, पर इतना टाइम नहीं है कि इनके बारे में डिटेल में जाऊं. Notes I will give you. You'll get everything in the notes. You'll be able to connect it. Babur, Humayun, Akbar, Jahangir, शाहजहां, वो डिस्कस करना ही है. बिना शाहजहां के औरंगजेब डिस्कस हो ही नहीं सकता. औरंगजेब एंड डेक्कन पॉलिसी, ये सेपरेटली डिस्कस करेंगे. डेक्कन पॉलिसी. फर्स्ट हेडिंग, बाबर. In India, the time period is 1526 to 1530. दो लोगों में ही सारा टाइम चला जाएगा, अकबर और औरंगजेब में. पूरा 200 साल की हिस्ट्री कवर हो जाएगी विद अकबर एंड औरंगजेब. And whenever I come to the name of Babur, I have a very special place for him. He is called as the Prince of Asia. Historians unanimously call him the Prince of Asia. And there is no doubt about him. Sheikh Mirza ka beta. From mother side he was related to Genghis Khan, from father side he was related to Tamerlane. The two dangerous personality of Asian history. Fargana, after the death of Timur, his entire empire was divided among his successors, and his father got the charge of Fargana, a very small principality. Fargana, his father got a very small principality, Fargana. He was possibly never in good terms with his father, and he was very much impressed by his grandmother, Ahsan Daulat Begum. बड़ी कहानियां सुनाती थी उसे बचपन से, चंगेज के बारे में, तैमूर के बारे में. शी यूज्ड टू नरेट. दिस वाज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट ट्रेडिशन earlier in our society. This Doraemon and all has recently come into the life of our children, and this Doraemon is destroying everyone. Well, I have seen, I used to go to my maternal mother's family during winters and summer holidays, and there we used to go with our mama and all those people, and they used to narrate stories. Vikramaditya, Samudragupta, and all those people, and that stories used to create curiosities in us. He was under the influence of his grandmother Ahsan Daulat Begum, and she used to narrate stories to him, and he used to rejoice all these things. I will also repeat the same story. I will also conquer entire Asia. And whenever you get the time, please, whenever you get the time, please read his autobiography. His autobiography can make anyone alive. Anyone. It's in Turkey. Autobiography. Whenever you get the time, please go through his autobiography. One of the best book in the world. And the lines which are imprinted in my mind, which I have repeated many times in many of my videos. Well, I read it for the first time and those lines got imprinted in my mind. Possibly those lines are given in Jail Mehta also. What though the field be lost, everything is not lost. क्या हुआ जो मैदान हार गए, अभी सब कुछ नहीं हारे. What though the field be lost, everything is not lost. What is not lost? The unconquerable will and the courage never to submit and yield. क्या हुआ जो मैदान हार गए, अभी सब कुछ नहीं हारे. क्या नहीं हारे? वो अदम्य साहस और इच्छा शक्ति. क्या बात है. वो अदम्य साहस और इच्छा शक्ति जो सर झुकाने को तैयार नहीं. हाउ कैन यू लूज विल पावर एंड तुझुके बाबरी. मस्जिद तो कभी इसने बनाई नहीं. कभी अयोध्या गया ही नहीं है. मीर बकी इसका सेनापति है, और जिस मेमोरी में वो मस्जिद बनाई गई, मेमोरी में, उसके पीछे एक खास वजह है. और खास वजह यह है कि अयोध्या में आज भी देयर इज अ ग्रेव कॉल्ड कब्र नौ गजी. वो शायद हजरत नूह की कब्र है. हजरत नूह फादर से इसकी कभी नहीं बटी. When his father died, he made a comment on his father कि मिर्जा शेख कबूतर उड़ाते उड़ाते बाज हो गए. He is writing in his autobiography कि my father was fond of two things, petticoats and pigeons. Petticoat, woman. He says कि मेरे फादर को दो चीजों से लगाव था. एक पेटीकोटों से, दैट इज वुमन, और दूसरा पिजन, कबूतर से. और मिर्जा शेख कबूतर उड़ाते उड़ाते बाज हो गए. But then, as talented people have enemies, he had so many enemies around him, especially his uncles and all, and they chased him out from some Fargana. भागा वो बंदा 1504 he takes the shelter in Kabul, and 1507 he takes the title of King of Kabul. Kabul is a shelter for all the refugees and ambitious people. Alaptagin, if you remember, जो भी सेंट्रल एशिया में भगाया गया वो अफगानिस्तान में शरण लिया उसने. Afghanistan is a tough place to survive. Afghanistan is a tough place to fulfill your dream. Because Afghanistan is an area without resources. पैसा है ही नहीं. Afghanistan is an area without resources. 1507 he takes the title King of Kabul, and I said Kabul is the center for all the refugees. He prepares a gang there in Kabul. His girlfriend was in trouble in Samarkand. Babar, his girlfriend was in trouble in Samarkand. His girlfriend wrote a letter to him that my father is going to marry me. Alright, he said, don't worry. He takes the gang, he attacks Kabul, Samarkand. He was defeated. He rushes back. When he rushes back, he says, thanks to Allah. His friend said, thanks for what? We have been defeated. He says, thanks for being alive. This is called as perception. He says, thanks for being alive, alive. I am thankful to Allah that I am alive. फिर हमला करेंगे. Again we will attack. This is called as perception. There are many stories about Babar. It's not possible to narrate all the stories here. But he is a wonder man, wonder. You have all the right to appreciate your religion, your people, your country, your state, all. But whenever you appreciate the right people. अब जैसे कोई मुझसे तारिक जमील की तारीफ करता है तो मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लगता है. कोई सर सैयद अहमद खान की तारीफ करता है तो मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लगता है. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, the man who has done something great for Muslims in India. तारिक फतेह की तो जल्दी कोई करता नहीं. पर अगर कोई मौलाना बरकाती की तारीफ करेगा, जाकिर नाइक की तारीफ करेगा, तो थोड़ी सी टेंशन हो जाती कि यार डिवाइड कर रहा है ये आदमी. सैयद अहमद खान, बाबर, मैंने मुसलमानों को इन लोगों का नाम ही लेते नहीं सुना है. And it's a very big drawback of Muslim community. बाबर के बारे में जानते ही नहीं. बस एक बात जानते हैं, मस्जिद बनवाई थी. सर इस आदमी को पढ़ाई का इतना शौक था ना. He and his son both. Humayun later on created a library. इस आदमी को पढ़ने का इतना शौक था, लिखने का. He was such a creative person. He was under the influence of a Sufi, Ubaidullah Ahrar. Silk Route and Northern Path. So Babar lost the hope of Northern Path, Silk Route. Now he has the next option, Northern Path. And Kabul is the door for Northern Path. He gets the invitation from the nobles, Indian nobles. इससे बड़े भाग्य की बात क्या हो सकती है? He gets the invitation from Indian nobles. invitation from Indian nobles. The man was in the need of opportunity. इस आदमी को मौके की तलाश थी और उसे मौका मिल गया. And this was followed by first battle of Panipat. 1526. अब बहुत ज्यादा मैंने कहा स्टोरी सुनाई नहीं जा सकती, बड़ी सारी कहानियां हैं. 1526 बैटल ऑफ पानीपत. बाबर एंड मोहम्मद महमूद इब्राहिम लोदी. एक्चुअली उज़्बेक्स बड़े पावरफुल हो चुके थे. खलील, he was facing resistance from his own family, and then Uzbeks were becoming very powerful in Central Asia. अब्दुल्ला उज़्बेक उसका बहुत बड़ा राइवल है, उज़्बेक राइवल. So first thing, he was facing resistance from his own people, and second thing, Uzbeks were becoming very powerful. तो इसने सोचा आईएएस नहीं बन पा रहे हैं तो पीसीएससी क्वालिफाई कर लो यार, एसडीएम हो जाएंगे, 10 साल बाद डीएम हो जाएंगे. And he had a claim on Hindustan on the grounds of the conquest of Taimur-Lem. (1526). First battle of Panipat. But that was not the end of prelims, mains, interview, training. Then battle of Khanwa, a very big test for him. यहाँ फंस गया ये आदमी. After 26, his soldiers said, "We are going back." He distributed all the wealth of Delhi and Agra after 26. He knew कि अफगानी बिना पैसे के रुकेंगे नहीं. So after the first battle of Panipat, he distributed all the wealth of Delhi and Agra among his people. He was given the title of Kalandar. But then also his soldiers said after first battle of Panipat, we are leaving. हम जा रहे हैं. He tried to convince them. He tried a lot. Alexander has faced the same situation in ancient period. He had a guru, Abdullah Harar, a Naqshbandiya Sufi. He goes to his guru and narrates the story that these idiots are going back. What should I do? His guru said, "You are emperor. Your soldiers are Muslims." Are bola sarkar, I am also a Musliman. Bole idiot. Rulers don't belong to any caste, creed, religion or region. All those things which are made by human being, मुसलमान, हिंदू, क्रिश्चियन, सिख, तुम सोच के देखो. बस तुम सोच के देखो. Simply think. अच्छा है, and all this trouble is because of what? आज अगर मुझे कोई बता दे कि सारी मुसीबत की जड़ क्या है, what is the main reason for all these differences of caste, religion, region, etc. among human beings? The main reason for all the differences is language. Language. You see, Arabic is the language of Muslims. Hebrew is the language of Jews and Christians. Sanskrit is the language of Brahmins. Buddhism अपनी कोई लैंग्वेज नहीं बना पाया. बुद्धिज्म, बुद्धिज्म अपनी कोई लैंग्वेज नहीं बना पाया. फाइनली बुद्धिज्म हैज टू डिपेंड ऑन व्हाट? संस्कृत. A very important reason. Finally, Buddhism adopted Sanskrit and Buddhism got digested in Brahminism. Finally, Buddhism adopted Sanskrit. And Buddhism got adopted in, digested in Brahminism. Language. इसलिए हर धर्म के लोग अपने लैंग्वेज को बड़ा पवित्र मानते हैं. और यू नो व्हाट इज द कॉन्स्पिरेसी बिहाइंड इट? अब मुसलमान, मेजॉरिटी मुस्लिम्स अरबिक जानते ही नहीं, तो हिंदू कहां से जानेगा? राजा राम मोहन रॉय इज ए स्पेशल पर्सन हु नोज अरबिक एंड पर्शियन, तो उन्होंने कुरान पढ़ी ओरिजिनलिटी में. सी द कॉन्स्पिरेसी. मेजॉरिटी मुस्लिम्स डोंट नो अरबिक. वो हमारा इलियास है, मैं पूछता हूँ इलियास का मतलब क्या? आप पता नहीं क्या मतलब. हम हमारा नाम तो नाम काहे नहीं चेंज कर लेते हो? सूरज रख लो. हाँ तो आप रख दो सूरज, हमें कोई दिक्कत नहीं. जिस नाम का मतलब नहीं जानते उसको रख के क्या करोगे? Sikhism got a separate identity because Sikhism developed his own language. जिस रिलीजन ने अपना लैंग्वेज अलग नहीं बनाया वो सरवाइव नहीं कर पाया. इट बिकेम अ सेक्ट. उसको सेक्ट का दर्जा मिला, उसे सेपरेट रिलीजन का दर्जा नहीं मिला. Any religion who failed to develop a separate language never got the status of an independent religion. Religion. हाँ, religion की utility क्या है? It's a half brother of administration. It helps in maintaining divide and rule. जैनिज्म ने संस्कृत को अडॉप्ट किया. जैनिज्म ने संस्कृत को अडॉप्ट किया. जैनिज्म still in the Indian constitution comes under the sect of Hinduism. जैनिज्म स्टिल, अरिस्टोनेमी को कृष्ण का अवतार माना जाता है. जैनिज्म हैज वेरी क्लोज प्रॉक्सिमिटी विद ब्राह्मणिज्म. नो दलित लीडर एवर सपोर्ट्स जैनिज्म, नेवर. ही कम्स बैक, बाबर, ही कम्स बैक. हिज गुरु सेज कि आई हैव गिवन यू द हिंट, यू आर अ रूलर, योर सोल्जर्स आर मुस्लिम्स. और एक बात बता दूं, these divisive factors are so strong कि you will never be able to abolish it. ट्राई करके देख लेना. These divisive factors are so strong that you will never be able to abolish it. Never. He returns back, he thinks throughout the night that what should I do? Early in the morning he saw his wine jars. He was fond of alcohol and wine. Aristocracy. 20 ml per day keeps all the doctors away. But 20, 10, wonderful. 5 ml, precious. When it starts rising above 20, then it becomes harmful. He starts breaking his wine jars. His soldier said, what happened, sir? He said, from today I am a true Muslim and the war against Rana is a jihad. And the moment he said jihad, Kaleem bhai, Salim bhai, Salman bhai, Suhail bhai, are jihad. It takes the title of Ghazi. Idiots are born to be beaten. Idiots are born to be beaten. Idiots are born to be ruled. एक भाईजान हमको ओवैसी साहब के बारे में बता रहे थे, हमने कहा तुम मुझे सैयद अहमद खान के बारे में बताओ। बोले हमें नहीं पता। हमने कहा डूब मरो यमुना में जाके। वो एक आदमी है जिसने तुम्हारे लिए कुछ किया है। जैसे हिंदुस्तानी अगर बुद्ध के बारे में ना जाने तो पागल, राम के बारे में ना जाने, नानक के बारे में ना जाने, और हिंदुस्तान का मुसलमान अगर सैयद अहमद खान के बारे में ना जाने, समझ लेना पागल। उससे बात ही मत करना। वो एक आदमी है जिसने मुसलमानों के लिए इतना बड़ा काम किया। अलीगढ़ मुस्लिम यूनिवर्सिटी, और वैसी 10 यूनिवर्सिटी खुल जाती ना यूपी में, द मुस्लिम कम्युनिटी ऑफ उत्तर प्रदेश वुड हैव बीन वेरी पावरफुल। गाजी, Muslim chiefs were fighting from the side of Rana Sanga and Babar is Ghazi. हमारा अनीस भाई कहते हैं गाजी गाजी, बाबर वाज अ गाजी। मैंने गाजी और तू हो जाएगा राजी, ना मारेंगे तुझको, जाहिल, तुझको कुछ पता है? हसन खां मेवाती, महमूद लोधी, they all were fighting from the side of Rana Sanga. सर वो कहीं से भी जिहाद नहीं है। पर जैसे ये हिंदू पुरोहित पैसा खा के लगन मिला देते हैं। चंदेरी, बैटल ऑफ चंदेरी, '28, बैटल ऑफ घग्गर, the last battle, 1529, 30, he died. But he is the man who establishes the supremacy of crown. Promotes art and architecture, patronage to literature, establishes the foundation of Mughal rule. There is a story that his son was seriously ill. So he was not able to play any big role. Seriously ill. And it is finally said that he sacrificed his life for the life of his son Humayun. कितनी बड़ी बात, कितना प्रेम रहा होगा बाप बेटे में। दोनों साथ में बैठ के दारू पीते थे, वो भी मुसलमान। और जब दोनों ने दारू छोड़ दी तो बाप बेटे अफीम पीने लगे। When both of them left wine and liquor, both of them started opium, and both used to sit and challenge each other. This was the binding force among the father and the son. This was the binding force, binding foundation of Mughal Empire. क्या रिलेशन रहा होगा बाबर, हुमायूं, मोतीलाल नेहरू, जवाहरलाल नेहरू, इंदिरा गांधी। 1530 he was succeeded by Humayun. 1530 he was succeeded by Humayun. हुमायूं पढ़ाएंगे तो नहीं, पर इस आदमी की कहानी जरूर सुनाएंगे। कहानी मतलब पढ़ाना, और क्या? Because this story may be the story of some of you sitting here. Two phases, 1530 to 1540. Second phase, 1555 to 1555. 1530 to 1540. He comes into power 1530, and then he has to, and then 1530 he occupies the fort of Kalinjar. He gives the demonstration that I am the right successor of the dangerous father, Kalinjar. Very strategical fort to enter into Bundelkhand. Kalinjar का किला कब्जा कर लिया इसने. After occupying the fort of Kalinjar, he returns back to Delhi and he gets drowned in enjoyment and merrymaking and dance and opium. दो चीज का बड़ा लगाव था इसे, एक ओपियम और एक डांस. Two people were a very big threat for him. Sher Shah in east and Bahadur Shah in west, Gujarat. And possibly, there is no evidence of it, possibly both were in understanding. When I will slap from east, you occupy the western area. When he will run towards west, I will occupy the eastern area. So see, he was sitting on one door, Bengal. He was sitting on the other door, Gujarat. Humayun was sitting in Delhi. And he cannot neglect both of them. And this man, Sher Shah Suri, अभी कहानी सुनाऊंगा शेर शाह, तो पढ़ाऊंगा मैं शेर शाह, very important. (1532) he encircles the fort of Chunar. Chunar is again very close to Varanasi and strategical fort on river Ganga for the movement towards Bengal. Very important fort on river Ganga, Chunar. Mirzapur. He encircles the fort of Chunar, compels Sher Shah to surrender. Itna important fort. He leaves in the hand of Sher Shah and comes back. A very negative aspect of personality is overconfidence. You should note it down in your diary. A very negative aspect of personality is overconfidence. Sir, I have suffered, sir. And I always say to you, don't do this. A very negative aspect of a personality is overconfidence. क्या हो जाएगा? Please, if you have, leave it. सर्विसेज का तो मैंने कभी लोड ही नहीं लिया. क्या रहा आईएएस प्रिपरेशन? क्या होता है आईएएस? That proved very costly for me, very costly. आज भी कभी कभी मैं गलती कर जाता हूं, sometimes, but I control myself immediately, you know. Very negative aspect. It gives you happiness. तुम्हें अंदर से बड़ा फील होता है कि अबे मैं किसी चीज का लोड नहीं लेता. पर सर है बड़ी गंदी आदत. Sir, I have suffered, sir. Sir, I have suffered. तुम इससे सीख लो. Overconfidence is very bad. He occupies Chunar. He leaves it in the hand of Sher Shah. इतना powerful fort है यार. Why you are leaving in the hand of your rival? He returns back to Delhi. He starts the construction of a new city, Deen Panah. Deen Panah. उसी शहर में उसने वो लाइब्रेरी बनवाई, शेर मंडल. पढ़ने का बड़ा शौक था, पढ़ने का बड़ा शौक था, पढ़ने का। He was busy. He was busy, Bahadur Shah. So he left him once. Left him once. कोई जरूरत नहीं थी. There was no need. Bahadur Shah became active while he was present in East. Bahadur Shah became active. Bahadur Shah starts from Gujarat, reaches up to Chittor. He proceeds from Delhi to Chittor. He stops there in Chittor, and then कर्णावती एपिसोड. बड़ा प्यारा मौका था इसके पास. कर्णावती एपिसोड. ही वॉज अ फॉरेनर. कर्णावती, कर्णावती एपिसोड. दीन पनाह, दीन पनाह. कर्णावती एपिसोड. शी राइट्स अ लेटर टू हिम कि प्लीज हेल्प मी. बट मौलानास गाइडेड हिम. अरे सरकार, you cannot help a kafir against your brother. भाईजान, बहादुर शाह भाईजान. बदतमीज. Whenever you will take the advice from average minded people, average, सर ट्राइबर खरीद लो सर. रेनॉल्ट की ट्राइबर 6 सीटर है, टैक्सी में चलाना है. यार वो भाईजान, बहादुर साहब भाईजान को हम कुछ नहीं कह सकते. हमारे भाई हैं. काहे के भाई हैं? लड़ाई चल रही है, भाई है. Mughals were foreigners. This was a very grand opportunity for Mughals to ally with the local powerful section. Their position would have become very strong against Afghans. Their position became very strong against Afghans. कर्णावती इस एपिसोड में यह हुआ कि हुमायूं was moving against Bahadur Shah. Bahadur has laid down the siege of Chittor. Karnavati was asking help from Humayun against Bahadur Shah. And if Humayun would have given help to Karnavati, there would have been a Rajput-Mughal alliance. And that would have helped him against the local rivals. The position of Mughals would have become very strong. But he neglects. He neglects. Later on, Bahadur Shah leaves the siege and returns back to Gujarat. He chases Bahadur Shah. He occupies Gujarat. Gujarat blunder. He occupies Gujarat. Humayun occupies Gujarat. After occupying Gujarat, he gives the charge of Gujarat to his brother Askari. Askari was a weak man. He occupies Gujarat. He gives the charge of Gujarat to his brother Askari. Askari was a weak man. Humayun returns back from Gujarat. He reaches Malwa. When he reaches Malwa, Askari also returns back. Ki bhaiya, I lost Gujarat. He said, leave it. Next time we will see. This happened at the time of Akbar. He immediately returned back. Gujarat blunder. Such a big prize in your hand, and you are leaving it. You are not consolidating. Prosperous province. Land of wealth. And this idiot? इसको मुजरा देखना था दिल्ली में. इसको अफीम पीना और मुजरा देखना है. But Bengal blunder proved very costly to him. Bengal blunder, Bengal proved very costly. He returns from Gujarat. He encircles himself in Delhi. बंद कर लिया अपने आप को. शेरशाह 1538 he occupied Bengal. Battle of Surajgarh. he occupies Bengal. And when he occupied Bengal, Mirzapur to Bengal became his territory. And this was an alarming bell for Humayun. He starts moving towards Bengal. बड़ा जबरदस्त आदमी है शेर शाह सूरी, बहुत जबरदस्त. Son of a zamindar. जमींदार का बेटा, tortured by stepmother, dreamed to become emperor. बाबर ने पहचान लिया था उसे. Dreamed to become an emperor. He starts his career as a tutor of the son of governor of Bihar, Muhammad Shah. उसके बेटे को ट्यूशन पढ़ाना शुरू किया. After some time, Muhammad Shah died. When Muhammad Shah died, he married his wife Dudu Begum and became the governor of Bihar. First achievement. क्या बात है यार. Tutor to governor of Bihar. He was escorting his sister, Lad Malika, sister-in-law, to Mirzapur. Her husband was the governor of Mirzapur. And in between that incident took place, tiger incident. He kills the tiger. He killed or not, that is not clear. But when the lady moved the curtain and saw he was sitting on a dead tiger, and the lady was so much happy कि शेर और मारते हो क्या यार. And woman likes only two things in this world. Woman likes only two things. If I'm not wrong, woman likes only two things. Point me if I'm not wrong. Power and respect. तुम जितना उसे respect करोगे, that too with power. If you are powerful and then you are respecting her, sir, वो आपको खुदा मानेगी sir. Guaranteed sir. Written guarantee. Written. तुम्हारे अच्छे अच्छे होने से कुछ नहीं होता. मैं सिगरेट नहीं पीता, मैं गाली नहीं देता, कुछ नहीं होता सर. कुछ नहीं होता, कुछ नहीं होता. तुम्हारे अच्छे होने से कुछ नहीं होता. शक्ति पैदा करो और औरत को सम्मान दो. सम्मान दो, गाली मत दो यार. मारो और मार दिए. When I got married, the one and only thing my father said to me, possibly I have told you, if ever you slapped your wife, cut off your hand. And don't write yourself as a male in any of the forms next time. बीवी को मारना मत. हमारी श्रीमती जी, हम तो इनको बोलते हैं जाओ यार लंदन टहलाओ, अमेरिका टहलाओ, इधर घूमाओ, उधर जाना ही नहीं. कहती हैं हमें अकेले भेज दोगे फिर तुम भी अकेले टहलोगे. अरे मैंने कहा कि नहीं नहीं, हम अकेले नहीं टहलेंगे. मतलब whenever you are in power and you give respect, ताकत पैदा करो. ताकत, असीम ताकत. Lord Malika's husband also died. He married her, became the governor of Mirzapur. 2 governorship he got because of 2 women. 1538 he occupied Bengal. Humayun was alarmed. Humayun moves towards Bengal. Sher Shah was aware about his weaknesses. कि इसको मुजरा पसंद है और ओपियम पसंद है. He has arranged all the beautiful dancers, all the great dancers and the best quality opium. And when Humayun reaches Bengal, he renames Bengal Jannatabad. New name, Jannatabad. He forgot that he was chasing Humayun, that he was chasing Sher Shah. For 9 months, he was enjoying. 9 months. His brother Hindal was writing letters to him कि सरकार 27 June prelims. अरे बोला भाड़ में गई prelims. 70% of the liquid body is, see, you are normal when you take liquid. There is no pressure on your belly. When you take a tough food, solid food, there is a pressure on your belly, and that pressure on belly gives a pressure on your head. अभी हम 10 ब्रेड खा लें, 15 अंडा खा के पढ़ाने आए, नहीं पढ़ा पाएंगे. Entire blood will move to the stomach for digestion. काक चेष्टा बको ध्यानम अल्पहारी स्वनिद्रा. पांच लक्षण है विद्यार्थी के. Nine months he was in Bengal. 9 months. Finally, Hindal declared himself as the emperor. कि बाढ़ में जाओ, हम राजा हैं हिंदुस्तान के. And then he starts returning back. When he starts returning back, 1539 Battle of Chausa. Chausa is in Bihar, on the banks of river Ganga, and there the two armies meet each other. That was the right time for him to attack and eliminate Sher Shah. That was the right time for him to attack and eliminate Sher Shah. He's waiting. For 3 days he was waiting. 3 days. Fourth day, Sher Shah takes up his army, starts going out of the field. He was very happy. कि क्या हुआ भैया? What happened? So his commander said कि sir, he's going back. He has to punish someone. Someone has misbehaved with him. Maratha Chero. That was again a grand opportunity. You should have chased Sher Shah. When he sees that Sher Shah is going out of battlefield, he rushes towards his tent, opens the box of opium. The entire coterie takes up the opium and the mujra starts. मैं आई हूं यूपी बिहार लूटने. देखो यार इस आदमी को. Imagine. Just imagine, सबने opium लगा रखी, mujra is going on. And Sher Shah made night attack, night. Then also Humayun picks up the sword. But opium? Liquor activates the body. Opium deactivates. I have read in Google. Finally, he jumps in river Ganga. And then he was saved by a water carrier, Nizam Sakka. He escapes, returns back to Agra. He asks the help from his brothers. Everyone refused. 1540, Battle of Belgram, Kannauj. And he lost the Indian Empire. He loses the Indian Empire and then he starts the phase of a refugee. 1540 to 1555. The phase of refugee. And this is the phase 1540 to 1555. This is the phase when Humayun makes a comeback. From here you can learn. This is a phase when Humayun makes a comeback. He takes shelter with Rana Veersal of Amarkot. Here he met Hamida Bano Begum. She was the daughter of a Muslim Sufi, Akbar Jami. And Akbar Jami was a guru of Hindal. He's a refugee. He has lost his empire. And he sees Hamida Bano, beautiful lady. And then he asks his people, who is that lady? बोले सर वो हिंदाल भाई, हाँ हिंदाल भाई is Guru's daughter. बोले अच्छा, take my marriage proposal for her. Bilgram, Kannauj. See the temperament of a person. People said कि sir you are a refugee. He said don't intermix life and career, both are different things. दोनों को मिलाओ मत. When the proposal was taken to the girl refused. कि लड़का बड़ा है. I will not marry an unemployed. इसके पास तो जॉब भी नहीं है. अरे उसने कहा if you don't marry me I will eliminate entire family. बोली मैं तो मजाक कर रही थी. I was joking. बोला मैं ही कौन सा सीरियस था. They got married. और इनसे बेटा पैदा हुआ यहीं राजपूत घर में, अकबर. राणा वीर साल ऑफ अमरकोट. तो father is chased by a Mussalman, Shershah. Father is getting shelter at a Rajput family's house. और यहीं पैदा हुआ अकबर. Then he escapes to Iran and takes shelter with Shah Tahmasp of Iran. यहां ये बंदा 15 साल रहा, 15 years as a Shia. Shah Tahmasp said कि I will accept you only if you accept the Shia faith. बोले accept? I am Shia. Aristocracy. कि जिन्ना सुअर का मांस खाता था, मोतीलाल नेहरू गाय खाते थे. हालांकि ये दोनों जानवर मुझे पसंद नहीं है. मतलब दोनों जानवर का जो लोग मांस खाते हैं वो मुझे पसंद नहीं है. गाय तो खाई ही नहीं जा सकती सर. मैं तो मतलब जो कहते हैं ना बचपन में चाइल्डहुड, अभी भी जो मैं मकान बनवा रहा हूं वो सिर्फ इसीलिए बनवा रहा हूं so that I can keep 2 cows. इतना लगाव है मुझे. मैं जानवर तो मानता ही नहीं, इतना लगाव है. मतलब हम तो मुंह लगा लेते थे माँ की तरह और दूध पीते थे. और पिताजी हमारा दूध लगाते थे, पूरा बाल्टी पकड़ा देते थे मुझे कि पी ले. फिर दौड़ाते थे 10 किलोमीटर. लेकिन फिर भी अपनी अपनी फूड हैबिट है, उसमें मैं किसी को कुछ कह नहीं सकता. बट आई डोंट लाइक. ऊंट खिला दो, खा ले. कैमल चिकन उगन तो यार ऐसे ही पानी पूड़ी की तरह खाया जाता है. पर ये वाला नहीं, ये वाला चिकन नहीं जो फार्मी है, देसी. And after Sher Shah, his successors failed to manage the empire. After Sher Shah, his successor failed. Ibrahim Shah was able to rule for some time, but then after Ibrahim Shah, the war of succession starts. The Suris fight it among themselves. And that was a grand opportunity for Humayun. With the help of Iranians, he moves towards India. 1555, Battle of Machiawala, third phase. Battle of Machiawala. Battle of Machiawala. he reoccupies Delhi and Agra. Delhi and Agra. He was sitting on the top of his library, Sher Mandal, and he was reading. And then he hears the call of Muazzam. Azan sunai padi. He rushes. He stumbles on the stairs of his library. And he died. And then Lane Poole says, very good question. Lane Poole says that Humayun stumbled throughout his life. Humayun stumbled throughout his life and finally he stumbled and died. Humayun जिंदगी भर लड़खड़ाता रहा और लड़खड़ाते लड़खड़ाते मर गया. 1555. And that was the beginning of the story of one of the grand ruler in Indian history, Akbar the Great. Sir, मानोगे sir? Ultimate आदमी है sir Akbar. Akbar the Great. But before we start Akbar the Great, we have to discuss about a ruler, Sher Shah Suri. इसको हम नहीं छोड़ सकते, हमें डिस्कस करना पड़ेगा. 1540 to 1545. शेर शाह सूरी. अब नोट्स दे देंगे, वहां से पढ़ लेना. और द बिगेस्ट मैसेज यू गेट फ्रॉम हुमायूं इज that when you fall, try to find out the reasons why you have fallen. Eliminate them from your life. Sher Shah Suri is a godfather of third urbanization. Third. मैं तो हमेशा सोचता था, एक क्वेश्चन उस पे मेंस में आया था, बड़ा प्यारा क्वेश्चन मुझे लगा. That was indeed a great question. That Sher Shah has a attributes of a lion and a jack fox. शेर शाह में लोमड़ी और शेर दोनों के गुण विद्यमान थे. बड़ा जबरदस्त क्वेश्चन. शेर शाह had the attributes, not quality, attributes of fox and a lion. वो क्वेश्चन तो इतना जबरदस्त था शेर शाह के ऊपर. 3 headings on शेर शाह. Godfather of third urbanization, administrative reforms, imperialism. Godfather of third urbanization. Godfather of third urbanization. Urbanization depends upon 2 factors. First factor, agricultural economy, and second factor, urban economy, trade and commerce. The 2 pillars of urban economy, the 2 pillars of urbanization. First pillar, agricultural economy. Second pillar, trade and commerce. First pillar, agricultural economy. But you have to give promotion to 2 things. First thing, क्या? Agriculture surplus to the people. गहपति पैदा करना पड़ेगा, गहपति. और गहपति पैदा करने के लिए, to give birth to गहपति, you have to take out agricultural surplus from the hand of feudal lords, zamindars, etc. And he was the son of a zamindar. He has a practical experience of what? The challenges of a farmer. He was the son of a zamindar. So he had a practical experience of the challenges of a farmer. That farmers are the victims of farmers are the victims of three evils. First evil, government. Second evil, Mahajan, moneylender. And third evil, Zamindar. Fourth evil, climate. Agriculture provides periodical income, and agriculture provides periodical employment. Agriculture provides periodical income, and agriculture provides periodical employment. These are the three. Farmers are the victims of government, Mahajans, Jamindars, climate. Agriculture provides periodical employment, periodical income. Now he has to overcome all these things. क्या आदमी है शेरशाह, क्या काम किया उस आदमी ने. These are all the messages to the present government. History is a guru, teacher, guide, mirror. You won't believe when I sit with these new generation leaders and I see their ignorance. सर कुछ भी नहीं जानते सर. क्या रूल करेंगे इस कंट्री को, ये क्या पॉलिसी बनाएंगे, क्या इन्हें समझ में आएगा. दे डोंट नो एनीथिंग. अर्बनाइजेशन तो जानते नहीं. सी द कंडीशन ऑफ यूपी, बिहार एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा. फर्स्ट स्टेप, measurement of land. Measurement of land through rope. Measurement of land. Unit of measurement, बीघा. Who started measurement of land? Alauddin Khilji. Unit, Biswa. What was the measurement instrument? That was not clear. But here, Jarib, that is rope. Classification of land. Classification of land on the basis of fertility. Good, middle, and bad. Classification of land on the basis of fertility. Jarib, Jarib, Z-A-R-E-E-B, Zarib. Classification of land on the basis of fertility. Ray. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. यही मोदी जी काम कर रहे हैं. ये किसी ने बताया मोदी जी को. रे, मोदी जी ने यही चीज उठाई है. रे, पट्टा एंड कबूलियत. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. And a well-established revenue department. Well-established revenue department. कल शुरू करेंगे यहीं से. Tomorrow we'll start from here and Akbar.